Good morning, students. Earlier, you have studied main circulatory system, which is blood circulatory system, in detail. Now, in human being, there is another subsidiary circulatory system in addition to blood circulatory system. This circulatory system is the lymphatic system. This is extra to the blood circulatory system to recirculate the large unutilized fragment of fat and proteins and to remove some waste materials from the body, which is not removed by the blood circulatory system. This lymphatic system consists of 4 components. First component is the material, fluid, lymph. Next, lymph capillaries, like blood capillaries, lymph vessels, and lymph nodes. In this way, in broad sense, lymphatic system is another subsidiary system for the transportation of the materials inside the human being. The main function of this system is recirculate the large macromolecules, fragments of protein and fat globules. It also contains lymphocytes and thus protects the body by killing the germs. One more function. It removes the fragments of the waste like the dead cells. Now come to the first component, lymph. Here I am going to compare lymph from the blood, and in this way you can see these facts about the lymph if only lymph is asked. And another question, what are differences between blood and lymph? Then you can say these facts. Lymph is a colorless fluid which moves in single direction. It flows slowly. The flow is slow. It lacks plasma. It lacks protein. And the plasma has a lesser number of WBC and platelets. It transports from cell to body. In contrast to the lymph, blood is red in color, which moves in circular direction, that is from the heart to the cell and again cell to the heart. Its movement, it flows quickly, its movement is fast, with a pressure and jerk. It has protein and calcium and phosphorus. It contains more RBC and platelets, and it transports materials from organ to organ. Just see again. Lymph is colorless fluid. Its movement is from cell to the blood circulatory system. Since it has less fibrinogen, it clots very slowly. Its movement is very slow, without any jerk. Its plasma lacks protein. It has lesser number of WBC and platelets, and it transports from cell to body. Now you can easily define what is lymph, what are differences between lymph and blood. This lymph flows inside the lymph capillaries. Lymph capillaries are tiny tubules, tiny vessels, tiny finer tubes around the cell. It arises from the cell, near the cell. And these lymph capillaries wall have wider pores through which large macromolecules enter. And after entrance inside the lymph capillaries, the lymph flows towards the lymph vessels. Lymph capillaries, many lymph capillaries join to form lymph vessels. And these lymph vessels carry the lymph to the blood circulatory system at subclavian node. And now last, lymph nodes. At some intervals, they are swelling inside the lymph vessels. These swellings are known as lymph nodes. At the lymph nodes, lymphocytes are concentrated. Lymphocytes remains in concentration, which protects the body. Lymph nodes, the swelling has more lymph nodes. At some intervals, there are some swelling inside the lymph vessels. These swellings are known as lymph nodes. It has a high concentration of lymphocytes. Lymphocytes are a special WBC, and thus the main function of the lymphocyte is protection of the body by killing germs. In this way, the system of the lymphatic system is now clear. Thank you.